This engine is equipped with the turbocharger MET 18 SRC. In maintaining the engine performance, it is important to familiarize yourself with the structure and function and to always sustain its high performance through proper maintenance. Firstly, remove the turbocharger from the engine. Remove the bolts of exhaust inlet, outlet, boost air outlet, lube oil pipe, and attaching foot. Set the lifting tool and remove the turbocharger by controlling it. For the overhaul procedure, separately refer to overhaul procedure for MET turbo. And now I will explain the procedure for mounting the turbocharger, the overhaul of which has just been completed on the engine. Fit the new V-ring, O-ring, and packing. Lift down the turbocharger and tighten the bolts of the attaching foot. Apply the anti-seize agent on the bolts of exhaust inlet and outlet, insert the packings, and tighten them. Fit the lube oil pipe and finish the work.